Crash course on health sciences, anatomy and physiology. Learn about the structure and function of the human body, including organs and systems. Anatomy is the study of the structure of the body and its organs, while physiology is the study of how the body functions. These two disciplines are closely related and are essential for understanding how the body works and how it responds to different stimuli. To make this crash course more interesting, let me tell you a story about how the discovery of the structure of the heart changed the way we think about the human body. In the early 17th century, William Harvey, an English physician, conducted a series of experiments that led him to conclude that the heart was responsible for pumping blood throughout the body. Before this discovery, many people believed that the liver was the organ that circulated blood. Harvey's work revolutionized the way we think about the circulatory system, and it paved the way for future discoveries in anatomy and physiology. Now let's dive into the top 12 structures and functions of the human body. The brain. The brain is the body's control center, responsible for receiving and processing sensory information, controlling movements, and regulating bodily functions. The heart. The heart pumps blood throughout the body, delivering oxygen and nutrients to cells and tissues. The lungs. The lungs are responsible for breathing, taking in oxygen and expelling carbon dioxide. The digestive system. The digestive system breaks down food and absorbs nutrients, while eliminating waste. The liver. The liver processes nutrients and detoxifies harmful substances in the body. The kidneys. The kidneys filter waste products from the blood and regulate fluid balance in the body. The muscles. Muscles allow us to move and perform various physical activities. The skeletal system. The skeletal system provides support and protection for the body's organs, while allowing movement. The skin. The skin is the body's largest organ, protecting against external threats and regulating body temperature. The endocrine system. The endocrine system regulates bodily functions through the release of hormones. The nervous system. The nervous system allows for communication between different parts of the body and is responsible for controlling bodily functions. The immune system. The immune system protects the body against pathogens and foreign substances. Each of these structures and functions plays an essential role in keeping our bodies healthy and functioning correctly. For example, the heart and lungs work together to supply oxygen and nutrients to the body's cells, while the digestive system breaks down food and absorbs nutrients for energy. In summary, the study of anatomy and physiology is crucial for understanding how the human body works and how it responds to different stimuli. It is fascinating to learn about the different structures and functions of the body, and how they work together to keep us healthy and functioning correctly. And now, as promised, here's a poem about the human body. The human body, a work of art. A complex system, from the start. Bones and muscles, work in sync. To move and dance and swim and think. The brain, the heart, the lungs, the skin. Each plays a role, to let us win. Against the threats that come our way. Our bodies fight, day after day. The kidneys filter, the liver detox. The digestive system, it never stops. The immune system, always on guard. Our bodies work, so very hard. And so, we must take care of this body, beyond compare. Exercise, eat well, and rest. And we'll be at. Hear a song on the human body, keeping us alive. Verse 1. Inside of me, a world unseen. The human body, a wonder machine. From head to toe, it's all so complex. But it keeps me going, and I feel blessed. Chorus. My heart beats, my lungs breathe. My muscles move, it's all a part of me. My skin protects, my bones support. The human body, keeping me alive, it's my resort. Verse 2. My brain thinks, and my nerves sense. The world around me, so immense. My eyes see, my ears hear. The sounds and sights, always so clear. Chorus. My heart beats, my lungs breathe. My muscles move, it's all a part of me. My skin protects, my bones support. The human body, keeping me alive, it's my resort. Bridge. It's a wonder, how it all works. A symphony, without any quirks. A miracle, that we can't deny. The human body, keeping us alive. Chorus. My heart beats, my lungs breathe. My muscles move, it's all a part of me. My skin protects, my bones support. The human body, keeping me alive, it's my resort. Outro. From head to toe, it's all so grand. The human body, a wonderland. So let's take care of what we've got. The human body, keeping us alive, it means a lot. Asterisk asterisk asterisk. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html $aid equals 7989335 as a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please watch more interesting videos here.